This video provides a walkthrough of the accessibility checker in Brightspace. The accessibility checker allows you to ensure the content that you're building in your course is accessible to all students, including those using assistive technology. The accessibility checker can be accessed through the HTML editor. You can access the editor in the pages in your course, announcements, assignment information pages, including quizzes, assignments, and discussions. So anywhere you have an HTML editor in Brightspace, you can access the accessibility checker. Let's walk through an example together. I'll select a unit in my sample course and choose a page, this one, Web Accessibility. Now to access the HTML editor, I'll go to the top right-hand corner, select the ellipses and choose Edit from the drop-down menu. Now I have access to the HTML editor. The accessibility checker can be found on the second row, fourth item in. The icon looks like an eye with a check mark underneath it. If I select the accessibility checker, a pop-up appears. You'll notice that it's telling me that I have 5 issues, and it's presenting issue 1 of 5. To navigate through the issues, I can choose the up and down arrows. Beneath that is a description of what the warning or error is. And what's great about Brightspace is it will help you fix the error in this pop-up box as well, right beneath that. So this first issue, I can move this out of the way so you can see it a little bit. It's highlighting here, web accessibility, and it's saying, warning, this paragraph looks like a heading. If it is a heading, please select a heading level. And right beneath that, I can choose the heading level that I want. I think I have to move it back over. There we go. So I want to choose heading 1, so I'll select that, and then I'll select repair. If it didn't need to be corrected, I could ignore it if I wish to do so. But the checker is correct, so I will choose repair. Now it's highlighting the second heading that I have. And again, it's telling me this paragraph looks like a heading. If it is a heading, please select a heading level. And again, I have the same options. Now I want heading 2 because I've used heading 1. And now this is a second level heading. So I'm going to select heading 2 and choose repair again. Next, it's telling me the text must have a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1. So I have some text here that is in a sort of bright green color that is not accessible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of this. I don't have an option to fix it because I have to choose a color. I'm going to X out of this. Here is the problematic text. So let's change this. I'm going to highlight it, go into my editor, select color, and now I'm going to choose a new color. You can see that I believe this was the color I had previously. And when I choose that color again, I can see that it's failing. I have these 2 X's here. So let's choose a different color. I like green, so let me choose the next level down. Here I'm seeing that the small text is still failing. The large text passes, but I want both small and large text to pass. So let me try 1 level darker, and there we go. Now, both small text and large text passes. So I'm going to save that. And now this should pass the 4.5 to 1 ratio. I'm going to go back to the checker, select it again, and now a different issue is being noted. So that has been corrected. The second header I have here also needs to be corrected. So this is at the heading 2 level. I'll repair that. And then finally, I have an image at the bottom of my page. And there's a note here saying images must be marked as decorative or have alternative text. So I can mark it decorative, or there's a space here to add the alternative text. So I will do that. I'll put in the laptop. Okay. And now I'll choose repair. And that will automatically add the alt text to this image. And that's it. It's letting me know success, no accessibility issues detected. So I'll press OK, and then I will save my page. And that is how you use the accessibility checker in Brightspace.